Hey everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So today I wanted to do a look on the braided wig hair trend. So this video is going to be filled with nothing but braided wig styles. Now, I feel like this is definitely a divisive trend because you either love the braided wigs or you hate them. You think they're trash, you think they look fake. But to me personally, well, I'm going to let the video play. Y'all let me know at the end, would you try out this trend or have you yourself rocked out a braided wig? So for this first install, she is going to be putting on a wig that features the side braided trend. This is very popular right now. And it comes to around butt length. So you know she's got the long, beautiful mermaid style braids. Super cute. And also with this trend, do you guys think that it looks better with the baby hairs in the front or no baby hairs? So here we have someone rocking out the Love Me braided wig look. And she's showing us different hairstyle variations. This one has no baby hairs. I feel like you have to be really good at installing wigs in order to make this one work, because it will reveal all if you are not careful. Next up, we got another variation with the Love Me braids. So here she is doing a full install for us. Once again, I feel like you have to be really good at installing these wigs, because if you are not, it will definitely tell on you. So next up, we have another install. This one features braids that are a little bit cornrowed in front. I'm be doing some baby hairs with this one. I personally feel like the baby hairs do kind of help conceal the look of it a little bit and make it look a little bit more realistic. But that's just my personal opinion. Now, next up, I thought that this one was super cute. She's got pink braids. I've never seen this before. I don't know where she got this wig. But pink braids, not a look I would personally pull off, but I think she does a super good job of installing the hair, and it looks really pretty on her. Lots of baby hairs going there in the front. Now, I will say that most of these braided wigs, if you get the ones with the human hair, they can run you, a good $200 or so. And typically when you go to get your hair braided, depending on where you at, it can cost around $200 or $300. So you're really not saving much money if you get the hair that is real. Or you can also, of course, get the synthetic hair. And those can be like around $40, $50. There's a lot on Amazon. I've seen a lot of braided wigs on Amazon. So she is installing a reddish brown variation here. I love the color. However, I do think that this one looks a little wiggy to me. It's cute, but it does look a little wiggy. All right, so here we move on to the next one. She's got some blonde mix in here. She kind of looked like a little mama. Oh, now this one definitely looks good. Look at that. Definitely looks like her hair is braided. And I love the color variation. Gorgeous. All right, so let me know, you guys, what your thoughts are on this trend in the comments below. Would you be willing to try out a braided wig yourself? I'm still kind of on the fence about it. I'm curious about this trend. I'm not 100% sold, but we'll see if I decide to try one in the future. Leave a like for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.